Project name Real-Time and Low-Cost IoT Based Farming. Team members Boppana Venkata Subbarao, Balaji Prasad. Project guide Ms. M. Shakunthala, Assistant Professor, RMD Engineering College.
Start.
Abstract. The Internet of Things is the network of physical objects. It simply means to monitor a physical device or machine, or it is an internet network of physical devices which is embedded with electronic sensors, software and network connectivity to enable it to achieve greater values and services by exchanging data with the manufacturer. The result improves accuracy, economic benefits, efficiency and reduces interventions of humans. So we are trying to demonstrate IoT in plant monitoring. The system monitors and maintains the approximate moisture content in the soil. ESP32 is used as a microcontroller to implement the control unit. The setup uses temperature sensor, moisture sensor and humidity sensor which measures the appropriate temperature, moisture and humidity in the soil. This value enables the system to use appropriate quantity of water which avoid over or under irrigation. Let's discuss about the component we are used. First, the power supply board, which is connected to a AC adapter, external AC adapter, which converts 120 AC volt to 12 AC volt. And this power supply board consists of a bridge rectifier, capacitor, and a regulating IC. The bridge rectifier converts the AC into pulsating DC. The pulsating DC is converted to a steady DC by the capacitor, and this regulating IC will maintain the DC supply at 5 volts. The next component we are about to discuss is ESP32, which is the main component of this project, which has a Wi-Fi module, and this Wi-Fi module gets the data and transfers the data to the cloud. ESP32 can perform a complete standalone system or a slave device to host MCU, reducing communication stack overhead on the main application processor. It can interface with other systems to provide Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functionality through its SPI or SDIO or I2C or UART interfaces. This component name is Dht Humidity and Temperature Sensor. It's a basic ultra low cost digital temperature and humidity sensor. It uses capacitive humidity sensor and a thermistor to measure the surrounding air and digital signal on the data pin. The next component is soil moisture sensor. The output of the soil moisture sensor changes in the range of ADC value from 0 to 1023. When the moisture is low, the soil moisture sensor give out the output as higher value, and when the moisture is too much high, the value will be low. The IoT platform which is used to display the data is ThinkSpeak. The first dashboard shows the moisture of the soil, which ranges from 0 to 1, where 1 indicates the soil is less moisture and 0 indicates the soil is moisture enough. And the second dashboard shows the pH value, which is 7 at this time. The third dashboard shows LDR, the light intensity, which ranges from 0 to 1. And the fifth dashboard shows humidity of the environment, which 57.5 to 62.5. The last dashboard shows the temperature. That's all about our project.